Hello and good morning, everybody. You're with GDMFX Morning Markets Outlook. I'm Martin Panev, Chief Account Executive and Trading Analyst with the company. Today, we're going to look a little bit of an overview for the previous quarter and also for the previous month. Of course, talking about currency pairs mainly, starting with a brief look at yesterday's major indexes futures, showing gains worldwide. Despite a little down move on China and Australia's indices, everywhere the stock markets were looking quite good on the green. And while we're at it, China has printed higher manufacturing data. And along with the RBA rate statement, to keep the interest rates at the same level, we have seen an up movement for the Aussie to continue at 50 pips gain versus the US dollar and above 60 pips gain versus the Kiwi and the Japanese yen. The biggest hit was versus the European currency with above 70 pips in one day. The euro, along with most of the US rivals, has hit the US currency with over 50 pips yesterday, based on mixed data, and even the best in a few months housing data in the US couldn't overcome the low GDP estimate number, which came out last week. In fact, the greenback ended severely low this month, and quarterly, the Dixie index has dropped with 1%, near to the 79 level. The biggest mover on the long run for the last quarter and the last month, as we've suggested a couple months back actually, was the British pound sterling. It has already surpassed all major resistance levels versus the US dollar, hitting 5-year high. Another one of his victims was the Japanese yen, where the potential of surpassing almost 2 years high is quite near, and if it does, we're going to witness a bridge of major resistance level of 5 years high with that pair. A brief look on the commodity trade, starting with the West Texas Intermediate, crude oil of course. It has declined at the start of the past quarter. And then it managed to delete all losses, ending up the quarter with about $9 per barrel gain. Looking at the gold, it started the first 2 months with a decline. It was a pretty severe decline actually for the first 2 months of the past quarter. And then it managed to delete all losses, ending the quarter with above $90 recovery per troy ounce. Going back to day traders, we are expecting a lot of major numbers to come out all through Europe today. Manufacturing and employment data all throughout the European Union and the United Kingdom's manufacturing numbers as well. US as well later on today. There we're going to see Treasury law speech and US major retail sellers outlook, along with the car sales in the United States. That was all from me for today. I hope we can help you with everything that we can. I wish you successful trading today. Cheers. Bye-bye.